I know I already said it yesterday, but I just want to say it again, that what I learnt yesterday is totally going to change my business. It is not even like next level. It's just like a massive jump. And then what that is in turn going to do for my clients. I was looking for the next stage, and this is like the next stage above the stage. So thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Amazing.
Yep, thanks guys, thanks Sarah. I got a lot from yesterday, and we really need to step up our own social media, although we do a lot of online, so really felt like we caught up to speed really quickly and can do it scalably.
Awesome.
Now that I see she's crying, I'm going to say it was shit. No, I'm joking. No, it was great. I obviously do social media for a living, and I find it very hard to always be in front of the camera. Like, 2 kids, client work is always a priority. So being able to replicate myself with AI and all of that, like what we learned yesterday, I literally went home and I'm like, I have not been able to say, I feel like I have time back for me, which is really amazing, because I don't get that as a mum of a 5 and a 3-year-old. So I watched maths last night while I did some AI stuff. Woo!